Hi everyone. So finally, go to our last section for today's course. Okay, so the last section is I'm going to teach is a switch statement. So what is switch? It's like a switch let you to turn on or turn off your light, right? Like a switch. So the switch is not only for on off, but it have a lot of choice. So the choice we call case. So for the switch statements, so you have expressions here to specify what is the case you are going to handle. So for the case 1, case 2, case 3, it's as many cases as you like, but it always has a default case. It's rest of the case you have specified. So if not the case you have mentioned before, it will automatically go to the default case. So each case has a code block. So case 1 has a code block 1. Case 2 has code block 2. Case 3 has a code block 4, and so on. So the syntax is very easy for you guys. So with the keyword switch, and you have an expression here. So it identifies the case. So the case 1 you have to do, case 2, case 3. Okay, so let us go to practice the switch. Just copy the R script file here. But I prefer you type your source code by yourself, not just copy my R script file. Okay? Okay, so here is expression, right? Expression. So how many case for these switch statements? There are case 1, case 2, case 3, and case 4. There are 4 case. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you just run it. So since the expression is 3, so it will select the third element here. 1, 2, 3. This one, third. And get this result assigned to x variable. So you got x with third character. Okay, so let us print out the result is third. Okay, so let me try it again with another expressions. Since I would like to have the case 1. So case 1 is the first. So I assign the first to y. Okay, so replace the third. So print out. So the first. So it's very easy for you. If you have more than 3 case, 3 conditions, so you may use a switch statement. It's much easier. Okay, so let us go back to our PPT files here. Okay, so we also have a homework in class, which is practice the hyperlink. So please hyperlink this website to make some exercise. Since it's a good way to improve your programming language is to find some source code, and you can practice it, and you can understand what is examples for your functions. Okay, so since we right now use switch, okay, so just copy the hyperlink and go back to here. So please exercise this keyword, this source for your exercise in class. So let me introduce some exercise for you. So I do it the same way, so I just copy. Okay, let me introduce. So I assign a FOO as A, double A. Keep this one. Okay, switch. When I switch this one, right now the variable double A is FOO. The case is FOO. So it indicates the case is FOO. So you print FOO. If your case is bar, it will print bar. If your case is default, it will print default. Okay, just practice. Okay, it's your turn. So let me introduce the final homework for today's course. Okay, so we have a homework at home. So please use a switch like this one. Switch 2. We also we have a Chinese. Let us go to here. We have the monkey ring.
星期一，猴子穿新衣。
So if your case one is if the day is Monday, so please print out monkey wore new clothes. In Chinese, we say 猴子穿新衣 because new clothes we is indicate the one. Okay, so for the second, for the Monday, Tuesday, what else?
星期二，猴子肚子饿。
So if the week is Tuesday, so the monkey get hungry. Okay, so please follow all the video to finish your homework. I make some examples here. First, I will assign week as 2. So you have these words, so you can find the words in the videos. So the first case is week 1, right? Week 1 is monkey wore new clothes. Week 2 is our answer. Monkey was hungry. So you have to fill out the 10 conditions here. Let me show some examples here for you. Did I have some? Oh, here, okay. So here is week 2. Week is 2, right? 2. So switch. Monkey was hungry. You can do the same way if right now week is Wednesday. So what happened? Week is 3, right? Wednesday. So Wednesday, monkey went mountain climbing. Okay, so please finish rest of the 10 conditions. Okay, so let me go back to our final homework. So there are 2 homework at home. So please use a function. Use function is if else. If else is just function. We have talked about in the previous section, is a statement. Is if with else statements. But this example is only use if else is a function name. So you may let us go to here. I assign 80 to score 1. So score 1 right now is 80, right? So if else is a function, you can see here, question mark with X. It's a condition element section. It also has an expression here. It check if score 1 is bigger than or equal 60. If yes, it will go for the second part, which is pass. If you fail, if your score is less than 60, it fail. Okay, so let me run the instructions. It can pass, right? Okay, so for the last one, score 2 is 35. It's not good, so you fail, right? Let me explain it again. This expression here is equal test. So yes, we'll go through the second parameter. If false, go to the third parameter. Since the first one, like this one, right? The score 1 is 80, is true, is yes. So it will print out this one. The second examples for if else statements is that because this expression is false, which is no. Okay, it print out fair. Is it clear? Okay, so that's all for today's course. So don't forget to do your homework in class and homework at home. How many homework in class? There are 3 homework in class. Class 2, homework 1, 2, 3 is homework in class. Please do this homework after you watching my video to get this exercise. Okay, so you have homework in class has four homework in class. So what about homework at home too? Two homework at home. One is this days of the week. Use switch. Homework 2, to use if-else function. Okay, so see you guys next week. Don't forget to hand in your homework in class and homework at home.